Need to change the cabinet ventilation filters on your PALADIN stone router? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. The filters are located on each side of your controller. Simply pop off the ventilation covers to access the filters. If there's a minimal amount of dirt on the filter, you can just blow it off with compressed air, but make sure that you only use dry compressed air. If there's a lot of dirt on it, or if there's a hole in the filter, replace it. Once you're finished with the filter, snap the covers back on. We recommend that you clean, or if needed, change the ventilation filters at the 40-hour maintenance interval. If you have any questions, contact the BBM Machine Technical Support Team at 502-890-0463 or visit bbmmachine.com.